Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service Alert on Mac. Alright, let's begin. If you are getting repeated Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service Alerts on your Mac, even after uninstalling the software, it's likely due to leftover files from previous Adobe installations. To remove the alert, first click anywhere on the desktop so that the Finder menu becomes active. Then click on Go in the top menu bar and select Go to Folder. In the dialog box, type this path, Library Application Support, and press Enter. Inside the Application Support folder, locate and open the Adobe folder. Here, you'll find subfolders and files linked to your previous Adobe installations. These leftover files often trigger the Adobe Genuine Software pop-up. Look through the folders and check if there's anything important you want to save, such as cloud libraries. Once you've backed up anything necessary, delete the remaining Adobe folders and files. Finally, don't forget to empty the trash to permanently remove the files. The alert should now be gone. So that's basically how you can fix the Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service Alert on Mac. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.